Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos, and I've got a new box that just came in. This is the Shimoda Urban Explorer 20-liter bag. This is a bag that I purchased through Kickstart last summer, I want to believe. And it took a while for it to come in with everything that's going on in the world. But I've been patiently waiting for this, and it finally came in. And I really want to just do a quick unboxing and my first impressions. I haven't seen this in the wild. I have not touched one, so this will be the first time doing it. I've seen a lot of YouTube stuff about it, but this will be my first time. So with that, let's go ahead and start. First is, it came in two different colors, black or a brown tan color. I chose the tan color, and my initial impression so far, I like it. There's an actual color that they call it, and I'll put it down in the at the bottom of the screen when we get done. For the life of me, I can't remember it right now. Oh yeah, I'm liking this already. So in front, again, it's the the color they call it is a boa. Not sure where they got the name boa. There's probably a good reason, but again, this is the Shimoda Urban Explorer 20-liter bag. First impressions, again, very nice, interesting. Let's just go ahead and talk about what we got in the front. First thing is, we have an open pocket right here. And, oh yeah. Looks like we've got a pocket right here. And a small pocket right inside here where you can put stuff inside there. Top pocket. Okay, cool. Pocket for batteries, cards, keys. And this is the place for the laptop. Although I don't plan on using a laptop here at all because it's too small. I think it will only take up to a 13-inch. If I wanted to put my 15-inch in there, then I would have to buy the bigger bag, which I think is a 30-liter. Alright, with that, let's flip it again. Magnets. How do they work? And that how do you work with the magnets, I think that's a Chase Reeves. He does a lot of bag videos. These are actually pretty cool. Alright, and again, this is where you would put your camera gear in. Comes with dividers. And these are a little bit different, a little bit more foamy. Got a little bit more protection maybe? I'm not really sure. We've got a pouch right here. And then final thing that we'll talk about is handle is the side pockets. This is cool because you can put something in here, and it also has the ability to push. For example, if I was to put a backup battery in here, I could route the cable through here and charge something at the same time. Nice. And we'll look at the other side. Alright, this is a little pain in the butt. And this should be this should give me access into the actual holder where the camera gear will go. Yeah. All in all, somewhat impressed. Oh, last thing. for trolley, so if you're traveling. I really wanted this bag not for hiking, but more if I was in the city or doing street photography. I have a lot of bags, especially with Shimoda. I've got the 25 liter, I think I got the 30, 35, 40, 60, and 70 liter bags. And I didn't have a 20, and I could have gone ahead and got the 25, but I don't need that much room because, again, when I'm in the urban environment, I don't need that much storage. I just need a place to put a camera, maybe a drone, definitely some video stuff. Good idea. Glad I purchased it. And I will give you a follow-up video later on after I use it for a little while to let you know what I think. So thanks for watching. As always, please follow, like, and subscribe. And have a great day. See ya.